Williams Travel Time. This is the MGC show special, which I sold it at the show. These are all the plastics. Everything turned out really beautiful. They have been ultrasonic cleaned, and then I take them and I wash them all off, and they turn out really good. Flippers are in excellent shape. The pop bumper body skirts are in great shape. So yeah, everything is looking good. Just gotta let these dry out before they can get assembled, but they'll be a little bit anyways because the assembly of the top of the playfield is last. So I still have to rebuild everything underneath, all the flippers, pop bumpers, all that stuff. But this is from the disassembly of the playfield, and everything is good condition, except I have to get new pop bumper bodies because the other ones were shot. But I do believe these skirts are in excellent shape and can be reused.